So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain you how to make the measurements using Vernier Callipers. So this is the diagram for Vernier Callipers. So actual Vernier Caliper is here. So here you can see these are the upper jaws, these are the lower jaws, and here is the Vernier scale. This small 10 divisions are there on the Vernier scale, and this is what main scale MSR, main scale reading. This is about 12 centimeter. So small lines, as I said, Vernier scale. This scale is what? Main scale. So here you can make the measurement like length or diameter of the given material using this Vernier caliper. So just I will show you how you can measure the diameter or length of a given material. So first what you have to do here, you can take any of the apparatus like hollow cylinder, chalk, sphere, or just I will take this sphere, this cylindrical shape material. So I want to measure the diameter of this. Okay, first you should know the total reading formula for screw gauge or Vernier caliper. Total reading for Vernier caliper is MSR plus CVD into least count. MSR is what? Main scale reading. This is what? Main scale. And then CVD, coinciding Vernier division. Here this is what? The coinciding Vernier division. And then least count. How we can find out the least count? Here there is a formula to calculate least count of Vernier caliper. So if you are measuring volume or diameter, then you should know these formulas. If you want to find out volume of a given material, you should measure the diameter, then you can measure radius, you can find out the volume. So just here I will show you least count, how you can calculate. Formula is value of one main scale division. Okay, one main scale division to the total number of divisions on Vernier scale. So one main scale division, if you take here, it is of 12 centimeter length. If you take 1 centimeter, how many divisions are there in 1 centimeter? You can take any one of here. So 1 centimeter, if you take, 10 lines are going to be there. So here value of one main scale division, 1 centimeter, how many divisions are there? 10. So 1 divided by 10, how much here? 0.1. So 1 division is how much here? 0.1. So 0.1 divided by total number of divisions on Vernier scale. You can see here total number of divisions on Vernier scale, 10. These lines. So 10.1 divided by 10, how much here? 0.01 is the least count of Vernier caliper. So after calculating least count, you can go for any of the material. You can take and measure the length or diameter. So I will show you the diameter, how we can measure using this Vernier. So here you can see I kept this material. I want to measure the diameter here. So here you have to keep this material like this to measure the diameter. These are the what? Lower jaws. You can measure outer diameter, and these are the jaws you can use to measure inner diameter. You have to keep these jaws inside this material, so you can measure inner diameter. So here you can see the main scale reading. First you should note down how much here it is. It is around 1.6. So the first line of the CVD must coincide with the main scale. So it is 0.6. Okay, then MSR is 0.6, CVD, which is the line coinciding here in these 10 lines, it is 6. Okay, CVD is 6, least count already we know, then we can calculate here diameter. So here for this given material, the diameter, if you want to measure, total reading formula MSR plus CVD into least count. So 1.6 is the MSR, mean scale reading, and CVD 6 we got, then 0.01 is the least count. Then you can do the calculation here. So 1.6 plus 0.06, that is 1.66 centimeter. This is the diameter of this given material. This is outer diameter. Okay, inner diameter also you can measure. You can just repeat the same procedure for 3 times and do the calculation for average, then final diameter you will get, that is around 1.6 you are going to get. So like that you can measure any of the given material, like a hollow cylinder or chalk or sphere, any of the material you can take and measure the diameter or length. So outer diameter, height, inner diameter. For chalk, if you take length or diameter also you can measure sphere. Okay, so 3 trials you have to take, 1, 2, 3, MSR and CVD total reading you can calculate and take the mean of these 3 values, you will get the final diameter or length what you are measuring. So like that you can use this vernier caliper to measure the diameter or length. So I hope this is helpful for you. And at the end, if once you know the diameter or length, you can do further calculation for the required parameter like volume or area, you can calculate. So at the end you can write the result, how much you have got the values for a given material, cylinder or sphere or chalk. So this is how you can use the vernier caliper.